Hi everybody, we're at Granddad's house right now, and there he is right there, and he is nice enough to take me up in his attic to see. I don't know what kind of furnace he has yet. Guess we'll see though. And there's the hot water heater. We'll look at it in just a second. Alright, so I guess this is kind of unlike mine, or you can't really stand up here. But there's the furnace up there. It's an American Standard furnace. Oh, lights. Here's the American Standard furnace.
Yeah, be careful where you stand. You can step right there on that board and stand up there if you want.
Alright. Sorry if the camera's shaky. I'm just trying to... Alright, here is an American Standard furnace. There's all of the piping back there.
Go downstairs and turn it back on?
Yes please. So, American Standard, and then I don't know if this is probably like Matt's. Probably won't be able to see the pilot light, but that's okay.
You might see it in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess the builder must have originally put in American Standards. But here it goes. We're going to just start up Shutdown. Yep. Sounds very similar to Matt's. And there's the fan in there. There's that. The condenser. Or the line set. Yep, there's the pilot light right there. But yeah, it is blue and orange. Yeah, this is a pretty nice unit, actually. I don't know what's in there, probably just a separator, and then there's some white pipes right there. Alright, now it's on. Alright, so since we found it running, we'll keep it running, I guess. And let's go down there and I will show you guys the hot water heater. Not running though, because Granddad's not using any water. Alright, sorry about that. Okay.
Going up here, right?
Yep. Alright. Again, this is a very nice house. There's the hot water heater, there's the bathroom, and there's one of those bedrooms.
Turn the light on right there if you want. Right
Here.
The other one.
Yep, there we go. Alright, so now we'll watch him shut it. And there it goes. Right here is the thermostat. which looks like it can't be opened, but anyway, and here's the hot water heater. It is a Kenmore hot water heater. And now I'm gonna go out and show the air handler real quick, or whatever it is, the air conditioner.
Outside?
Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, do you want me to come with you?
You can if you want.
I have to get my shoes on.
Yeah, last time it was running, and this time it'll be off so we can see the compressor and all that stuff.
I'll be right there.
Alright, so obviously it's not running due to the time of year. But here it is, right here. And there's the fan, it's a Lennox. And there's the compressor. It's got a sound blanket on it. I don't know what kind of compressor that is. Maybe rotary or something like that. So yeah. Let's see if we can find the data sheet on this thing. Here it is. Let's see, how many tons is this thing? I don't know how many tons. Alright. Thanks for watching. There's the disconnect box, and that's it.